Ever wondered how data analytics operates to transform raw data into meaningful insights? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of data analytics, the process that helps organizations make informed decisions, predict trends, and improve operational efficiency. Imagine data as an uncut diamond, valuable but not very useful in its raw state. The process of data analytics is like a skilled jeweler cutting and polishing that diamond until it shines with clarity and precision. The first step in the data analytics process is data collection. In this digital age, data is everywhere. Social media, customer transactions, sensors, and more. It's like a constant stream of uncut diamonds just waiting to be transformed. After collecting the data, it's time for data processing. This is where the raw data gets cleaned and organized. Just as a jeweler wouldn't work with a dirty diamond, the data must be cleaned to ensure it's free from errors, duplicates, or inconsistencies. Next comes data integration. This is when data from different sources gets combined. It's like putting all the cleaned diamonds together, ready to be shaped into a beautiful piece of jewelry. Now it's time for the actual data analysis. Using various statistical methods and analytical models, the data is examined and patterns and relationships are identified. This stage is akin to the jeweler examining the diamonds under a microscope, looking for the best way to cut and shape them. Once the analysis is complete, it's time for interpretation. The results are translated into a format that's easy to understand. Charts, graphs, reports. This is the final polish on our diamond, making it shine with clarity and meaning. Finally, the results are used to make informed decisions. The shining, polished diamond is now ready to be showcased, providing valuable insights to influence strategies, decisions, and actions. To summarize, the data analytics process starts with data collection, followed by data processing, then data integration. After that, the actual data analysis happens, followed by interpretation of the results, and finally, the application of these results. It's a complex process, but when done right, data analytics can turn raw data, our uncut diamonds, into valuable, actionable insights. It's the secret weapon for many successful organizations, helping them to predict trends, make informed decisions, and improve operational efficiency. Remember, in this digital age, data is everywhere, waiting to be transformed into something meaningful. And that's the magic of data analytics, turning raw data into polished diamonds.